Xiaomi continues to set the benchmark for flagship smartphones, and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a shining example of their dedication to innovation, performance, and premium design. This cutting-edge device packs a slew of top-tier features, making it a powerhouse for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Let's dive into the details to see why the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is creating so much buzz. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts a 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED display, designed to deliver breathtaking visuals and a seamless viewing experience. With its 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations are buttery smooth, making everything from gaming to everyday tasks feel ultra-responsive. The AMOLED panel ensures vivid colors, deep blacks, and exceptional contrast, making it ideal for multimedia consumption and gaming. The LTPO technology dynamically adjusts the refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, balancing performance and battery efficiency. Whether you're streaming HDR10+ content or playing graphic-intensive games, this display ensures you're fully immersed. The display's curved edges and ultra-slim bezels add to the aesthetic appeal, creating a premium and futuristic look. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering flagship-level performance and efficiency. Built on the latest architecture, this processor ensures lightning-fast speeds, flawless multitasking, and exceptional energy efficiency. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, the Snapdragon 8 Elite handles everything with ease. It's paired with advanced cooling technology to ensure the device remains cool even during prolonged gaming or heavy multitasking sessions. Combined with ample RAM and storage, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is designed to handle any challenge you throw at it. The quad camera setup on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to pushing the boundaries of mobile photography. Each lens is tailored for specific scenarios, ensuring professional-grade results in every shot. 50MP main sensor, capture crisp, high-resolution photos with stunning detail and vibrant colors, even in low-light conditions. 50MP periscope telephoto lens, achieve breathtaking zoom shots with incredible clarity and stability, ideal for distant subjects. 50MP ultra-wide sensor, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes, group shots, or creative perspectives with minimal distortion. 50MP short-range telephoto lens, designed for close-up portraits and detailed macro photography, this lens ensures outstanding results. With advanced AI-powered features, optical image stabilization, OIS, and 8K video recording, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra takes mobile photography and videography to the next level. Whether you're a professional or an amateur photographer, this camera setup will inspire your creativity. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is powered by a massive 6,000 mAh battery, designed to keep you connected and productive throughout the day. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working on the go, this battery has the stamina to last. When it's time to recharge, the 90W wired charging gets you back to 100% in record time, while the 50W wireless charging adds the convenience of cable-free top-ups. The device also supports reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge other gadgets on the go. This combination of battery capacity and charging speeds ensures that you'll rarely find yourself tethered to an outlet. Running on Android 15, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra comes with Xiaomi's latest HyperOS 2, offering a refined and intuitive user experience. HyperOS 2 optimizes performance, enhances security, and introduces a host of customization options, making it perfect for both casual and power users. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is built to withstand the elements. thanks to its IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. Whether you're caught in the rain or using the phone in a challenging environment, the device is designed to handle it all. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a powerhouse in every sense of the word. From its stunning LTPO AMOLED display and cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset to its versatile quad-camera system and robust battery life, this device is built to impress. Its durability and refined software make it a well-rounded flagship that caters to a wide range of users. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who demands the very best from their smartphone, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra delivers on every front. Keep an eye out for its official release, as this flagship is set to redefine the standards of premium smartphones. Enjoyed this detailed breakdown of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech releases. Let us know your thoughts on this flagship beast in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.